Hello everyone, thanks for checking out my channel, Model Car Guy Rich. As you may have guessed it, my name is Rich and I'm a model car guy. I found these kits sitting in a box that I packaged up, probably about 30 years ago. Most of them are from the early 70s and 80s, and I thought I would share them with you guys. I literally have hundreds of kits, mostly unbuilt, and literally thousands of parts that I will be sharing with you guys throughout the course of the next, I don't know, hopefully 5 or 10 years of model car hobby kit building and motorcycles, trucks, big trucks. I have a passion for these things my entire life, and I would like to share it with you. So come along for the journey. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll get on our way. I thank you and have a happy new year.